Alright, we're going to be looking at algebraic fractions and how to simplify a few different things, whether it be divide it or adding up or just simplifying an expression like this. So you want to look what's on the top and bottom and what's the same. So if we look at the y's, we have a y squared and a y cubed. So we can cancel out the y squared and that will just leave us with y at the bottom. This x will cancel out and give us an x squared on the top, and 7 goes into both 21 and 14, so it goes into 21 3 times and into 14 twice. Then you just got to make sure that you rewrite this really carefully because it can get quite messy. 3x squared over 2y, and that's it, that's simplified. The next one you're going to want to be putting into fractions. So the top one, we have x in both, and then it's going to be 4 times 4 is 16. One's going to be plus, and the other's going to be a minus. And that way we get rid of any just x values. Over we know it's going to be x's here, so we want an 8 and we want 2x, so 4 times 2 is 8, and plus 4x minus 2x will give us this 2x value. And then what we can do is just cancel out the like terms, so all the brackets that look the same basically. So that cancels with that, and then we're left with x minus 4 over x minus 2. The next one is if you're dividing them, and if it's divide, you basically flip this last bracket and you multiply them. So we can rewrite this as x squared minus 4 over x squared plus x minus 12 multiplied by x squared minus 3x over 2x plus 4. So now we're just going to concentrate on that one, and we basically want to look at how we can get these things into brackets. So the x squared minus 4, it's going to be x and then 2 and 2 plus and minus. On the underneath side we're going to have 4 and 3, and it's going to be plus 4 minus 3. I could explain that in more detail, but I'm just going to assume that you kind of understand how that works. There's a previous video explaining how to do that. And then the next one, x squared minus 3x, we're going to take out the x value, and on this one we're going to take out the 2. And because these things are multiplied together like previous ones, we can start cancelling things out. So x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3. So what we're left with is x minus 2 over x plus 4 multiplied by x over 2, and that is equal to x over, or x bracket x minus 2 over 2 x plus 4. And that's all done. And the reason that, and obviously if you were to multiply it, you just skip out that first step. So if you can divide, you can also multiply. So if you have that covered, you also have multiply covered. Alright, so for adding them, the bottom terms need to all be the same for you to be able to add them together. So what you do is you multiply the 1 by x plus 3 and the x minus 2 by x plus 3, and then you multiply 3 by the x minus 2 and the x plus 3 by the x minus 2. So 3 multiplied by the x minus 2 over x plus 3 multiplied by the x minus 2 plus, we multiply up 1 x plus 3 over x to the minus 2 x plus 3. This, we can expand out the brackets. 3x minus 6, and on the bottom it's x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 plus x plus 3 over, it's going to be the same as this because it's exactly the same bracket, so x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. Then you just want to add these top numbers together. So 3x plus x is 4x, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, over, and these things are the same, it's just over this or just over that. It's exactly the same thing. X squared plus x minus 6. There you go. So that's just a quick introduction with fractions in terms of algebra, simplifying a few things here, and yeah, all is good. Like if that was of any use to you, any help, comment if you don't understand anything, if you need further explanation, and let me know if I rush over things, if I take things too slowly. Any kind of feedback would really help and would be really appreciated. Good luck.